Hi everyone, I'm Kate Lassard, lead Admin Evangelist at Salesforce. If you have been building or managing agents in the legacy agent builder, you know that keeping actions, instructions, and testing aligned in two places can quickly become complex. So today we're going to upgrade legacy agents to Agentforce Studio to give you better visibility and full control over your AI workflows, as well as the ability to use agent script in the new builder. All right, we are going to start off in Agentforce Agents. We are going to select one of our agents. Let's see what we have here. Let's go with this merchant support agent. And we are going to click this little down arrow and select upgrade to new builder. So we'll get a little bit of information about what is going to happen here in this upgrade. You can click here to find out more about the new builder. And what we need to do is choose a version to migrate. We only have one option here, so I'm going to select version 1 and I'm going to hit upgrade. So the process kicks off right away, analyzing our legacy agent and converting it deterministically into agent script. Once the upgrade is complete, we are able to go ahead and take a look at our agent in Agentforce Studio. So I'm going to click Let's Go. And you can see here right away that we had a few errors that were outlined in the upgrade process, but we have the ability to optimize. So I'm going to click this Optimize button right here. And when we click Optimize, it is going to open up our development agent on the right-hand side of the screen here. And the development agent is going to fix any errors and further optimize our agent script. It's gathering context and going through that optimization process right now. All right, here we go. Our agent has been optimized for agent script. I'll scroll down and look at the optimization actions that were taken. And we can now take a look at our agent. So I love Agentforce Studio because it brings all of the things that we've built in the legacy builder, our instructions, our topics, our actions, and guardrails into a single cohesive canvas. We can also view this in script view. So if you click the canvas icon here, you can just toggle over to agent script and you can see the difference. Now, a few things to call out in Agentforce Studio, for those of you that are familiar with Agent Builder, is what we previously referred to as topics are now subagents, which you can see over here on the Explorer. And if we take a look at some of our subagents, you can see that we have some of those different areas that we focused in those topics, those different actions that are available. Another term that you should know is agent router. This classifies incoming intent and hands off execution dynamically to the correct subagent. New Agentforce capabilities, model upgrades, and advanced action interactions are built natively for Agentforce Studio. So upgrading your legacy agents to Agentforce Studio now ensures that you can immediately leverage upcoming features without technical debt.